Alright, so I've been painting the T-60 and the laser pistol just a little bit. Not the whole entire body, just the shoulders and the head. I think it looks pretty good. The lighting is not great in here, especially where he's sitting. But I just have to basically retouch that up a little bit more, make it more even out. But I think the shoulders are just about done. Laser pistol, that one is basically done, I think. Still have to do that one. And the X-01 legs, they got primed, so now I have to do some wet sanding to make these super smooth. And the calves have to be done. The feet, by the way, are just about done. I have both the fronts printed out. Gotta print out one more of these, and then 6 keys, and then 2 sides. Then those be done. They're beefy boys. So, for dog in reference, these are heavy boots. Yep, thank you for watching. I know there's some dead air and stuff, but I just want not talk for a second and let you just enjoy the scenery.